At 202 inches length, the Rivian R2S is well above what is considered as a normal SUV in most countries. Now, Rivian is developing a smaller offering to help it access the lower segment as well as the global markets. Before we begin the video, hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop about future electric vehicles. In its Q1 2022 shareholder letter, Rivian confirmed that the R2 platform will spawn a midsize SUV. We plan for the new plant to be the production site for our future R2 platform, a more accessibly priced mid-sized SUV, targeting global markets, said the company. Smaller SUVs relevant to North America, Europe, and other regions can help Rivian become a serious contender in the industry. This decade, China, Europe, and the US are expected to be the biggest volume drivers for electric vehicles. Robert Joseph Scaringe, founder, chairman, and CEO of Rivian, has revealed that new electric motors and a bespoke 800-volt battery are under development in-house. It wants to ensure that the R2 platform is high on affordability, performance, efficiency, and unit economics. The Rivian R2S should come with at least 2 all-wheel drive configurations. It may deliver an EPA-estimated range of between 300 and 400 miles, depending on the size of the battery pack selected. In the R2 SUV, the company may also employ cheaper lithium iron phosphate cells. We expect 10 minutes of charging to provide around 100 miles of range in the upcoming EV. In early 2022, Scaringe said the R2's production would take place in Georgia from 2025. Later that year, he revealed that the company has postponed the start of the production date of the first R2 model to 2026. We expect the SUV and the pickup truck from the R2 platform to launch in quick succession from 2026. During Rivian's Q2 2022 earnings conference call, Scaringe said that the R2 models will have lower pricing compared to the R1 models. We expect the R2 series prices to start at around $55,000. In the US market, the R2S will compete with the likes of the Tesla Model Y, Chevrolet Blazer EV, and the Ford Mustang Mach-E. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Top Electric SUV for the latest developments on electric cars.